What you doing?
I'm actually cooking nachos.
Yeah.
Many of you have not actually seen the state of the kitchen that we have been actually working with since we got here in April. So we're like 8.5 months and we have operated with literally zero kitchen, no full-size appliances. We just got our stove 2 weeks before Christmas. We still don't have a full-size fridge. We've been using a bar fridge. And we've had zero countertops, zero cupboards, zero kitchen prep space. I'm gonna show you. Philip and I today have been working on laying the flooring.
What?
Philip is putting the flooring that we've been putting out throughout the entire house. We now have the studio room, the main hallway, the front entryway, the living room, and now running into what will be a walk-in pantry, baking, laundry room. Fridge will be in here. Like, this room is gonna be a multi-use room.
Yeah.
This was the room that the original kitchen was in.
Yeah.
We don't know when they took out the original kitchen, but it was sort of like a white farmhouse style, shaker style cabinets. And there's something that they did in this kitchen that drives me bonkers.
What is that?
That is that they tiled the countertop with grout lines and then they did it up the wall here. Drives me up the wall because you can't keep anything clean.
No.
There was a small section that you would have seen us take out in the previous video where there was just a slight L shape right where you can see this has been removed here. Totally not functional, was already half ripped out.
Yeah.
Completely chipped, so you could cut yourself on the tile, just was not ideal. So this was completely not usable other than the microwave could sit on it. This is what we've been operating with for our kitchen since we got here. So today, Philip's been laying flooring. We ran it all the way through here, and we're just working our way from pantry room here through into where the kitchen will actually be now since we're using the bigger space. And we spent the day today like just deep cleaning all of the kitchen gadgets that we've been using, and we've been kind of using like pretty much everything, including the kitchen sink, literally.
Yeah.
To be able to kind of just cook and make use without a kitchen. So doing this kitchen renovation is going to be amazing.
But exciting because today one of our basin sinks came in.
Yeah.
So
this
how exciting.
second sink that I ordered that would be in the laundry pantry room arrived today. It was actually so heavy the man couldn't get it into the house. We had to knock on the door and be like, I need help.
He's like, please help me.
So I had no idea it was going to be so heavy. The faucet is running late but should be here in a couple of days. And we now are just waiting for, what are we waiting for? Oh, no, we're not waiting for anything. Our wood came. Last night, our wood came. So Philip and I, before it started raining today, we got all the wood inside for actually building the DIY cabinet. So we now have everything we need here except for the faucet for the laundry room. And getting this flooring in is basically the first step that we need to be able to actually start building the cabinets.
Nice work table, hon.
I'm making you nachos with no kitchen.
Well, thank you.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that we
Okay, so we caught the little bugger, or at least we think it's him. Right now, he needs to kind of warm up, so he looks a little less fluffy, so we're not sure if it's the same one or not. We think so, but time will tell. We've got the heater going for him, and he is enjoying the turkey neck that we put in, but we noticed yesterday that my spiral egg holder was missing a few eggs, and that he had gotten one and kind of cracked it down on the floor. So I got it all cleaned up, and then we're like, he's looking for eggs. So Philip put a few eggs in the trap, and I think ultimately it was the eggs that did the trick to get him to go in the trap last night in the basement, because we had the turkey neck in there the whole day before, and he was not interested in going in the trap. So I think he was stealing eggs from my spiral egg thing. But we're gonna get him some warmth here, and it's actually a really bad freezing rainstorm right now, so he'll probably stay the day in here with us before the boys can take him on a long journey on the quads out into the backwoods, pretty far from our house on the trail that they go to. Jay, I think you should plead your case on why we should keep the weasel. You said you wanted to give him a name because he was living there first. Sounds like you want to keep the weasel. Yeah.
If you give a pet, or if you give an animal
Give him a name, he's family, dude. Yeah. JC, I was gonna say we could name him Narwhal because he was gnarring at the wall.
He was not gnarring at the wall.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left.
Well, little buddy, kept you warm or kept you fed. You don't have to go home, but you sure do got to get the heck out of here. We're gonna let you free, buddy. It's been nice, little bud. It's Mags. Come on. It's time to go home. You ready, guys? I think we're gonna strap him to the back. He's got a egg on him, but we're gonna put him on there. Day, are you ready? Let's let this Pokemon go.
Yeah.
I gotta fix this.
Perchichu.
That's so dangerous.
It kind of looks like Perchichu.
Yeah, it does. We'll find him a nice home, guys. Yeah, that works.
Right?
Yeah, I think we'll take him down the trail.
I think that might be big enough to put the cage over.
See, little guy.
Do you have the backpack for that, Cameron?
No, I need to go get it. Yeah.
Hold on to that, Day.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Day? Alright, the boys picked a great location. He's got a lake here. What do you guys think? It's fine. We'll let him up in the woods.
Yeah. So then he knows where the water is, and then he can come back down.
Get your fingers in that. Alright, let's walk him up. Right
God's gonna open it and hopefully run away.
You want to come closer? We're gonna let this little guy out.
I'll zoom in a bit more.
We'll all say goodbye. Kids named him Frostbite. Frostbite. Maybe we'll leave him the egg too,
Oh yeah.
so you can come back for it. He's probably gonna want to go find shelter real quick. Okay.
See you, Frostbite.
Lift it up and see. He's legit gone. Good job, guys. Well done. All right. Let's get these eggs out of here. We'll leave him the food. This kid wants to eat.
We might find him going to another twilight.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Storm.